I am Dt.Saheli Mondal, naturally disease cure specialist. Today I discuss about some home remedies for the cough and cold. Let's see. Today's topic is some safe remedies for cough and cold. Here are a few effective options: home remedies and general care. Home remedies: warm fluid, drink warm water, soups or herbal teas with ginger, tulsi, muleti or honey, lemon tea. They soothe the throat and loosen the mucus. Honey. 1 teaspoon of honey. Avoid in children under 1 year. It coats the throat, reduces irritation and calms cough. Steam inhalation. Inhale steam with a pinch of salt or a drop of eucalyptus oil. Helps in nasal congestion. Garlic with salt water, warm water, a pinch of salt relieves sore throats and kill germs. Turmeric milk, haldi doodh. Turmeric has natural anti-inflammatory and antiviral property. Drink before bread. Ginger, chew a small pieces or add to tea. Helps with throat irritation and cough. Rest and hydration. Sleep well and keep your body hydrated with warm drinks. Boost immunity. Vitamin C foods, orange, lemon, amla, guava. Herbal supplements like tulsi, chawanprash, etc. When to see a doctor? If coughs last more than 2 weeks, high fever, chest pain or breathing difficulties or blood in mucus. Our video and subscribe our video to get more health related video, and if you want to cure your disease naturally, to consult with us and share this video to your friends and relative to know that all diseases are cured naturally through diet, Reiki, yoga and healing. Thank you.